Hello Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video of the Dogecoin. This video is going to be very important for all of you, but before starting this video, please my friends make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.19 USD dollar. 0.19 USD dollar is the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market, and you can see my friends they are near to hit a 1 USD dollar, but unfortunately my friends, you can see here the latest situation, the latest price update of the Dogecoin is going negative. Negative 2.24%. The price of the Dogecoin decreased in the last 1 hour, in the last 60 minutes. And my friends, 24 hours changes occur in the Dogecoin is for negative 10.18%. Except of these, the last 1 week change is positive 14.21%. The price increase. My friends, the previous changes occur in the Dogecoin is negative, but only my friends, only the latest changes of the Dogecoin is positive. So that's really complicated news going for all of you. My friends, from the price chart, that's also create that Dogecoin starts pump from the last 1 week. But unfortunately, my friends, from the yesterday, the price of Dogecoin starts fast down, and still the price of the Dogecoin, you can see pump gradually the price pump, but from the last 1 day, the price of Dogecoin is completely going down, my friends. My friends, don't be disappointed. Everything will be okay. Don't worry about these changes, my friends. Personally, I'm sure that the price will again become positive and they give you profit, not loss. Just hold it and never decide to sell. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.